Hello again. Don't mind the game I'm playing. It's superhero life. I. Anyway. I have some shoutouts to do today. Be quiet with the keys. Okay. Number one. Wait, what did I just say? Hello. Let's pause. Who the hell? Okay, anyway, my boy has got me Netflix, of course. Who doesn't like Netflix? Look, that's me. Look. Yay! Anyway, la. I don't know what to do. Oh, I can hear stupid noises, alright. Yeah, I uploaded that 3 days ago. And I don't know what to do. I miss my doggies. Even though the Mandy's still mine. I don't know what to do. So bored. I know! Let's visit Let's. Okay, we're back. So I got the best idea ever. Let's go visit school. Yeah. Yes, right over there. So I'll see you there. Oh no. I'll see. I'll see you there. Okay, guys, let's go now. What in the world? Yeah, my name is Harold. It's like when I say my name, I turn into a douchebag. No, I don't want to be a douchebag. Better not follow me, idiot. Oh, sure. Wow, meow. Anyway, uh, let me do some shoutouts if I can do any. I upload again. I don't know. I'm so bored. Another show. Okay, let's just look at my cousin's videos. Okay, that's enough for Roblox right now. I am new. Bye Roblox. Okay, YouTube vids. I'm making into. Okay. Okay, so now let me get it. Intro maker. I'm on PC. Yes. Yeah. Thank you. What the hell? Information. Don't say I'm lagging. Explode the whole universe. Dang it, cousin. You failed me. You failed. Oh boy. I'm his favorite cousin. His name is cool. I never saw this. It doesn't even work. Netflix. Mm, mm. I was watching Netflix, okay. Mm. I'm gonna. I can't wait to end this video. Alfred, I don't really care that you're not. What? That work. What work? Goose. Yay! Something okay. I'm also a male, so subscribe to bar. No. What? Cool. You deserve it. What? No. I have brunch. Okay. Okay, cool. That will be the end of today. That will be the end of part 1. I need to record again. Bye.